Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Guys channel. Today we are discussing the second ERC report and ethics in governance. Our topic is expediting disposal of election petition. Election petitions in India are at present to be filled in the High Court. Under the Representations of the People's Act, such petitions should be disposed of within a period of 6 months. In actual practice, however, such petitions remained pending for years, and in the meanwhile, even the full term of the House expires, thus rendering the election petitions infructuous. There have been suggestions from other high level committees and eminent persons that a separate judicial setup may be required. The National Commission to Review the Working of the Constitution, NCRWC, recommended that special election benches should be constituted in the High Courts earmarked exclusively for the disposal of the election petitions. The Commission is of the view that given the huge existing caseload in the High Courts, it would be possible to ensure speedy disposal of the election petitions only by setting up special tribunals as provided for under Article 323b of the Constitution. While doing so, it would have to be specifically ensured that the decisions of such tribunals are final with appeal jurisdiction, final with appeal jurisdiction being restricted to the Supreme Court alone as already provided in the Constitution. Such tribunals may have two members, one a judge of High Court and the other an administrative member. In case of difference of opinion between the two, the matter may be referred to the High Court. The second ARC recommended the special election tribunal should be constituted at the regional level under Article 323b of the Constitution to ensure speedy disposal of elections petitions and disputes within the stipulated period of 6 months. Each tribunal should comprise a High Court judge and a senior civil servant with at least 5 years of experience in the conduct of elections, not below the rank of the Additional Secretary to the Government of India or Principal Secretary of a state government. Its mandate should be to ensure that all election petitions are decided within a period of 6 months as provided by law. The tribunals should normally be set up for a term of 1 year only, extendable for a period of 6 months in exceptional circumstances. Grounds of disqualification of membership. Article 102 of the Constitution provides for disqualification of membership of either House of Parliament under certain specific circumstances. In view of recent development leading to expulsion of some members of Parliament, it may be desirable to comprehensively spell out other circumstances under which the members of the Parliament can be disqualified. This could be done by enacting such a law under Article 102e. This would remove any ambiguity in the matter and also reaffirm the supremacy of Parliament in all such matters. The second ARC recommended that appropriate legislation may be enacted under Article 102e of the Constitution, spelling out the conditions for disqualification of membership of Parliament in an exhaustive manner. Similarly, the states may also legislate under Article 198e. Thank you very much.